there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's card features one of the new bundles in the Stampin' Up 2023 annual catalogue. This is the Little Monkey bundle and it's featured on page 52 of the annual catalogue. It is this adorable stamp set and has a coordinating punch, which will punch out this very cute image, plus the little cute face. I've made this card, which is actually a copy of one that's in the catalogue. When I get new products, I always like to start with an image that's already in the catalogue to help me to build what I'm going to do. So I've used one of the new in colours. This is the Copper Clay, and one of the new in colours which will be around for the next 18 months, and I've done a little bit of blending. Love these images. These are great line art images for colouring. So cute. So let's go ahead and get started. I've used a base of Balmy Blue as my card base. Now for this particular card I have actually done a white insert as well, which I always do for when I'm making a card that is not basic white, but I won't do it for this sample. So just half a sheet of cardstock, and my my thick white is cut just down to have a small border around the outside. So let's go ahead and start with the stamping of this adorable little monkey, and we're going to put him onto, or her, put the monkey onto, this is a piece of the Copper Clay, and I'm stamping with the new Copper Clay colour. Love this colour, great colour. So pop that on there, and then straight down, straight up again, and with our punch just pop that in up the top, and then just line up your punch. There we go, and it will come out looking like that, hopefully. Now for the little face, there's another little punch down here that looks like a heart, but it's not. It's the little face punch, and we're going to punch that out in a piece of Petal Pink. I don't really need that much, never mind. I should have cut that down first. So we're going to do the little dots for the ears as well. Just cut another one of those. Alright, so we end up with the two little Petal Pink dots and the face. And then this stamp set also has that little cute, very cute image, which we'll stamp with our Copper Clay again, straight down onto this one. There we go. Oops. Oh, that wasn't very good. Let's just flip that over. See if we can get that right this time. It's better. And get it out of the way. A little bit of glue. I mean, you could leave it like that if you wanted to, but I think it looks super cute with a different color tone. So let's pop the face over there. And these little dots. Oh, I think I might have way too much glue on there. Way too much glue. Let me see if I can get a bit of that off before I get too carried away here. There we go. Sometimes that Tombow just comes out of the bottle way too fast. Whoops. All right. Okay, let's pop that over here to one side while it is drying. The sentiment I've already gone ahead and stamped, by the way, and it's in petal. I stamped it onto Flirty Flamingo, and I stamped the Copper Clay on top of it. I like the tone of those two colours actually. I think they look really neat. So now we're going to do our stamping with the branches and the leaves. So let me grab those stamps. Okay, so with our memento, stamp the branch first. And then another one just over here, slightly off center. And then for these leaves, which one are we going to do? That one, I think. I'm going to get this larger one in the middle here first. They look good no matter where you put them. Put another one in there, and then there's a smaller one as well. Like I said, these are all so great for colouring. Another little one there. Here we go. And I'm just going to bring in my blend. So for this one, I coloured it in Petal Pink. But I'm going to do this one in Crumb Cake this time, I think. And I've used my shaded spruce and some soft seafoam, actually. So let's put down some Crumb Cake. A little bit of dark Crumb Cake first, I think. See if I like it. Yeah, that's quite a nice, gives it quite a nice contrast against the Petal Pink. I think I might need to order a new Crumb Cake. Super cute. And what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to put a little bit of the light shaded spruce just in here. And then I'm going to come over with the dark soft seafoam and just colour that out. Just for a little bit of difference in colour there. There are amazing new colour refresh in this new catalogue. So if you live in New Zealand and you don't have a Stampin' Up demonstrator, I would be more than happy to send you one of the new catalogues. They don't cost anything, so pop over to my website. The link is in the description bar below, and leave me a message on the contact me page, and yeah, I can get a catalogue out to you, no worries. I'm using the shaded spruce this time. We have Lost Lagoon is a colour that's come back into our collection. Unfortunately, I don't have that colour just yet. We have, what's another returning cover? Berry Burst is a colour that has returned. Misty Moonlight has returned. So we've got some fabulous new colours. We're very exciting. So I'm just mixing up these various greens, really, just for a bit of contrast. You could, I like the shaded spruce, the light and the dark together, but you could still keep using the soft seafoam. I think I might use it on the next one, actually. I'm not sure if I like these two together. They might not be. Yeah, I think I'll put soft seafoam on the next one, just for a change. Alright, so there's all the colouring done. I'm not really happy with the colouring on this one. I think that one looks better, but you know, no two cards ever turn out the same, do they? So let's pop our little cutie patootie little monkeys on here now. They're so cute. So, oops. Just at an angle, and then I've already popped my glue dots, sorry, the dimensionals on the back here. Just that one might be, hook the little tails around. Now the banana, you probably noticed there's also a little banana on the punch here. I've already gone and stamped that onto Daffodil Delight using Memento. Let's just punch that out. There we go. So cute. I think I've actually got it going around the wrong way. I probably should have the top of it up there, shouldn't I? Well, never mind. I'm going to grab a mini dimensional, which is right here. Pop on the back. There. Sentiment. I didn't get them quite in the same placement. I'll pop it down the bottom. And the embellishments are actually from the In Colour glossy dots. I used the copper clay ones. So where do we, I think you might put it up a little bit higher this time. No, let's go with the original one. Pop it in there. There we go, just swinging by to say hi. And that again is on Flirty Flamingo. And straight onto our balmy blue cardstock. Some seal. And that's a pretty quick card, just made using the little monkey bundle from Stampin' Up. You'll see it on page 52 of the annual catalogue, or you can click the description bar on the link below and you'll be taken to my online store where you can shop up a storm on this bundle if it takes your fancy. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.